To enable and use the Discover mode of the Bixby Vision in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open Bixby Vision. As the example, we will open it from the app screen. Tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select Setting. Under Mode section, tap the on-off switch next to Discover to turn it on. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Now go back to the Bixby Vision screen and then select Discover. You can see that Bixby will find you the similar object with the object you are capturing from the internet. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.